how did our system have a positive impact on our ability to serve the need? And so I think there's a couple of things. One thing is because we've been doing tours for so long, the people at Providence actually knew who we are. Like we've had, we used to serve this hospital system almost as often as we spent time with you guys at Elkerleek. So they knew who we are. So they knew that if we said we could do something, that we actually believed that we could do it. The other thing is they had done their homework. So when they came to us, and we always say that it's really important for us, the who is more important than the how or the what. And in this case, the who was aligned well. Like-minded people, knowing that the goal is to actually protect people, and that these regulatory things actually might kill people. So just going back to the who and the why, how does a regulatory thing, so it's crazy to me that in America still today, we're receiving product from a country that is known for being awesome at counterfeiting. And they will take an N95 mask from that country over one that has been made by us, knowing exactly what it is. Crazy to me, because it meets regulatory. That is almost the definition of insanity. So for us, I think it was a reputation and having a relationship, and having a customer who, like, they were very courageous, and they had their ducks in a row. They knew what they were doing, and I believe that there was a crisis. I think they really had a need, and that they were really willing to run. So I don't think we can take credit for it. I think we can say, I saw excellent leadership at Providence. The leader said, you know what, people are going to die. We need to protect people. Some protection is better than none. Please get to work. Please tell the world. And they did it publicly, and we just answered the call. So I don't really feel like we can take credit for it. But they knew us. And to go from a text message to production the next day never happened in my career ever, right? That's never happened. But Stan, I know this is true. If I called you in the middle of the night and said, Stan, I need to protect nurses. I need your help. And if there's something in your power to do it, I don't have to know anything else. If you said, Jeff, I've got this, nothing else would matter, because I know Stan Jensen is on it. And that's I think, the power of relationship, that contracts and stupid business behavior and outsourcing and low price has prevented many human beings from enjoying work. Like some of the stupid crap that's between me and my customers over $5 is just so stupid, right? Where we could be enjoying working together, creating value. Yeah. Does that answer your question? Thank you. That's a really good question. Yeah. We need a few cowboys like you, honestly, Stan, to be out breaking the systems.